We tried this last night. Jonathan did not. It's a texture thing. I like it. Now it's cold. Yesterday it was room temperature. You don't like it. I see the mouth movements. It's a dead giveaway. I know your mouth.
And the flavor's really good.
It is, and I like the raisins in it. I like the whole thing, but I don't mind like a soggy bread. That's what it is. I mean, it's a soggy bread.
I just don't like soggy bread.
No, you don't. And
How is it different than the mincemeat pie?
That's not soggy bread. That's literally like a pie. Like pastry.
That's not like soggy bread.
No, you don't. But the flavor is really good.
And if you like soggy bread, it's 10 out of 10.
That's what it looks like. I honestly really
Like, the flavor's really good. Like,
it is. I like, but again, the texture doesn't bother me.
yeah, I just...
I'm surprised. Yeah. You like the fruit.
And it's not like the worst thing ever. It's not the worst, but I just don't like soggy bread.
No.
I just don't, I don't even like...
It wouldn't even help if I cut the chunks smaller, because then it would just like, honestly make it worse probably. It's okay. The next recipe Jonathan will like, because he requested. I had this bag of raisins out because, I put them in the thing. I put them in that bread pudding.
But it's still like a 10 out of 10.
This is a 10 out of 10?
I mean, flavor-wise,
yeah,
it's really good.
It is really good.
And I like these chunks. Like the
ones that were kind of on top, like the more crispy. Well, it is already almost half gone.
I also eat it.
Anyway, the next video will be these raisin dried cranberry oatmeal chocolate chunk cookies. Yeah, Jonathan saw the recipe on the back of this bag and was like, can you make those? So those will be the next. I mean, you are eating it. So if it was absolutely atrocious, it would have been in the trash by now. We did have a mishap one time where something ended up in the trash in front of me, and there was a fight.
Soggy bread.
And then your sister just so happened to call at that very moment and like saved the moment of us arguing.
Soggy bread.
It was soggy bread.
I don't like soggy bread, but that doesn't like soggy bread, so I mean, it's soggy, but not
I also don't appreciate my food being thrown away into the trash in front of me.
Well, we weren't gonna put it back, and I wasn't going to eat it. So.
No, it was not a good night. But anyway, you did eat most of it.
It's good. Like I don't mind like the crust. It's just like when it gets like
to the bottom, sogs, Sog City, as you say, Sog City.
It's that like weird, just mushiness. It's just kind of like I don't know, just not my thing.
Yeah, that's okay. But I like flavor-wise, like we said, it is really good flavor-wise. Anyway, the next video is going to be these cookies, and then the video after that, my birthday is next week. Do you know what we're doing? Do you remember what I said we're going to make?
Some kind of cake.
Amaretto cake. So we're going to make an amaretto.
White. So a white cake.
Yeah, it's a white cake. So we're going to make an amaretto cake for my birthday. So there's going to be that. Hopefully it's good. I assume it's going to be. Look at Calvin's eyeballs.
He's like,
no,
that's
we had some ribs for lunch, and he is dying to get them, but he didn't get a single drop. Not a single crumb.
Ribbies?
Anyways, Jonathan will see you in the next video because he will be eating these cookies, right? All right. You have anything else to say?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.